Okay, continuing on our recipe, let's put it all together. Okay, the oven is preheated at 350. In a large bowl, add oil, sugar, eggs, and vanilla. Okay, I got my oil, 1 cup oil. I will put the recipe at the bottom of this video as well. 1 cup oil. And then I need sugar, and it takes 2 cups granulated sugar. 1, 2. These are the zucchini bars that I'm making. And then it says 3 eggs. 3 eggs. 1. 2. I know that's not the proper way to do it. You're supposed to put it in a bowl first because of shells. Well, too bad. That's just the way I do it. I'm just a home cook. I'm not a chef. I'm not cooking for anybody but my family, so that's okay. Oh, this thing keeps going away. Stop it. Okay, so I got my eggs in there. And it says vanilla. How much vanilla do I need? I need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I have some vanilla right here. This is, my friend gave me this vanilla. It's from Mexico. It's real vanilla, pure vanilla. 1. This is a ½ teaspoon measure. I need to get some new measures. I don't have all the teaspoon ones that I need. So there's that. And then what else do I need to add? Mix with a hand mixer, which I didn't get out. My bad. Let me pause it while I get everything. And I'm going to mix this as the recipe says. For 1 minute until well combined. About 1 minute, I think. There we go. Mixer didn't sound very good there. Okay. Now, it says to add the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. I never do that. I just put it in the same bowl. I'm weird like that, but that's okay. So we need flour. How much flour do I need? 2 cups flour. I'm done with the sugar, so I'll put this away. So it's out of the way. So we need 2 cups all-purpose flour, which is what I have here. 1. 2 cups. And then it says 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/2. 1. And then salt, I always skip that. 2 teaspoons baking soda. And I know that's probably not a good idea, but 1, I need 4 of these, 2, 3, 4, and a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. So I'll just put half of this in. There we go. And actually, I probably should put a little salt in. I do have my salt shaker here. We'll just do this. A little salt in. Oh, it says 1 teaspoon. We'll put a little bit more in. There we go. I know it helps the baking process. And then, 3/4 cup oats. Three-fourths cup oats. Then it says, whisk to combine. Oh, that's just in the dry bowl. Oh, it says to use the mixer again. Okay, we can do that. Let's use the mixer again. Going to be really good because you put cream cheese frosting on the top of it. How can you go wrong with that? Yum. Zucchini bars. And I think what I'm going to do is freeze these, and then I'll have these for when I have company, because I don't need the carbs, but I thought it'd be fun to make. Okay, let's see. Fold in the shredded zucchini and carrots. Oh, whoops, I was supposed to fold in the walnuts. I didn't read that right. That's okay, or not the walnuts, the oatmeal. That's okay. The oatmeal got scooped in with the everything else. So I'm just going to measure 2 cups of zucchini and carrots. 1. I know I have them kind of combined here, but that's just how I did it. 2. There we go. And I need a wooden spoon. Let me get one. Okay. We'll use this one. I don't have a wooden spoon sitting in there. That's all right. Oh, this thing. Okay, and then just combine them like this. Oh, come on. Spread out on prepared pan. Place in the oven and bake for 24 minutes. Let cool completely and frost. Okay, that's pretty much all we have to do. That wasn't so hard. And then the rest of this mixture that I have left over, I'm going to freeze it so I can make something else another time. I don't want to waste it, and unless I find another recipe today or something. But this is what the mixture turned out. It looks good, doesn't it? Okay, let's add it to our pans. I have these little jelly roll pans. Oh my gosh, I shop at Sam's. I love Sam's. I don't know if this will fill 1 or 2, so we're just going to start, I think just 1. Yeah, I think just 1. That's perfect. Because it says to put it in a jelly roll pan. So, that's funny. My mom asked me, well, why are you buying those? What are you going to use those for? Well, look how perfect it is for this. I didn't know this recipe. But boy, this is perfect. Because, you know, I do enjoy baking, but I can't eat all this anymore. But I can have it when my grandkids come over or when I have company. So why not, I say. And if I freeze it, then all I have to do is take it out of the freezer and let it defrost. So I will put this, I will show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So the zucchini bars are done. Let's get them out so I can show you what they look like. Oh, it smells heavenly. Oh, wait. You know what? It's awful. Let me check it with a fork. I don't know if they're really done enough. I would say no. I'm going to put them in for about, based on this fork that I just pulled out of the zucchini bars, we're going to cook them for another 5 more minutes. And I'll let you know. Okay, I think we have it done now. Look. This is what the zucchini bars look like. And once it cools, I will make cream cheese frosting. And instead, I actually think I was going to freeze them, but I think instead that I'm going to give them to my neighbors because they give me food all the time, and I want to pay it forward. So I think I'm going to give it to my neighbors. Don't tell them. Of course, I have to test taste them to make sure they're good. I'm going to go to Walmart with my friend, she's my neighbor, and get some containers so I can make the cream cheese frosting, put it all together, put it in a container, and give it to her. So I think that'll be fun. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me get up here so you can see me. And, whoops. Thank you so much for watching my video. And I will post the recipe for this on this video. Thank you. Bye.